Hey, what's up guys? Dipp Out here. So like I told you that I'll be cleaning some windows today. Currently I'm over here at Claremont at this new like cell phone technology repair place called CPR. Off of Claremont, off of, what is it, 101 North Indian Street or Indian Boulevard. It's pretty chill. Should be here for a couple years, so you guys make sure to come on down and check it out. I'm just cleaning it up, so when you come by, make sure come by and appreciate how clean the window is. I did that, on me.